A bob of heavy mass m is suspended by a light string of length L. The bob is given a horizontal velocity v0 as shown in the figure. If the string gets slack at some point P, making an angle theta from the horizontal, the ratio of the speed v of the bob at point P to its initial speed v0. So, the mass m is given an initial velocity at point A and it reaches up to the point P and it gets slack. We have, and the velocity at P is v. We have to find v by v0. Now at point P, so this is the weight of the body acts in the downward direction, so it is acting in this direction. This direction is mg. So the component of mg along PO is mg sin theta, because this angle is 90 minus theta, this angle is 90 minus theta. So mg 90 minus theta is mg cos theta. So the force along PO is mg cos 90 minus theta, that is mg sin theta, and the tension also acts in the same direction. So along PO these two forces are acting and this gives the centripetal force, that is mv square by L. Now as the mass reached the point P, it gets slack, that is the tension is equal to 0 here. So from here we can find mv square by L equal to mg sin theta. Now m cancels from both the sides, this becomes v square is equal to gl sin theta. So v square is gl sin theta. Now the total energy at A is half mv0 square, that is the kinetic energy. So half mv0 square is the total energy at A. Now the total energy at P, and assume that the gravitational potential energy at A is 0, that is the height is 0. So the total kinetic energy at A is half mv0 square and potential energy 0, and at P the total kinetic energy is half mv square and potential energy is mgh. Now find the h, that is h is, so this is this height, so the total height, that is AO to OQ, AO plus OQ. Now AO is L, so L plus OQ. Now OQ is same, that is PR. Now PR is from the triangle OPR, from the triangle OPR we can find sin theta is equal to height, that is PR, divided by hypotenuse, that is OP. So PR is equal to OP sin theta. Now OP is the length of the string, that is L sin theta, so L sin theta. So PR is equal to OQ. So this is L sin theta. So L plus, so L, that is the total distance from A to Q, is AO plus OQ. AO is L plus OQ is L sin theta. So L plus L sin theta. This is the total potential energy. Now M cancels from both the sides. So this becomes V0 square is equal to V square plus, multiply both sides by 2, that is 2g, L take L as common, that is 1 plus sin theta, or V0 square equal to V square plus twice GL. Now GL is, from here we can write GL as V square by sin theta, so V square by sin theta. So twice GL is twice V square divided by sin theta, so twice V square by sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, or V square is, take V square as common, then it becomes 1 plus twice twice 2 plus 2 sin theta divided by sin theta is equal to V0 square. So this becomes V square, and take sin theta as LCM. Sin theta as LCM, then it becomes sin theta plus 2 sin theta, that is 2 plus 3 sin theta. This becomes 2 plus 3 sin theta, as sin theta is LCM, is equal to V0 square. We have to find V by V0, that is V square by V0 square is equal to sin theta divided by 2 plus 3 sin theta. So V by V0, take root over on both the sides, then V by V0 is equal to sin theta divided by 2 plus 3 sin theta. So this is the answer, that is sin theta by 2 plus 3 sin theta to the power half. Sin theta divided by 2 plus 3 sin theta to the power half, that is option 4 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.